Hello students and welcome to e-lessons. I am Surbi, your biology teacher. So students, today we will study about the chapter Body Fluids and Circulation. Let us start with the introduction of this chapter. Now in digestion you have learnt that we need oxygen and nutrients for our body. So oxygen and nutrients have to be sent inside the body, and the waste products that are released, that is carbon dioxide and fecal matter, has to be sent out of the body. Now, what is the thing that is helping in this transportation? How is this transportation being made possible? Now, for this transportation, there is movement mechanism in the body. What is there? We have movement mechanism. There is a mechanism known as movement mechanism present in the body for this transportation inside the body. Okay, so we have simple organisms and also we have complex organisms. Now students, this movement mechanism is not same in both simple and complex organisms. It is quite different in both of these. Now let us talk about simple organisms. In simple organisms we have coelentrates. Okay, these are invertebrates, coelentrates, sponges. We have studied about these in our earlier chapters, that coelentrates, sponges are the most lower organisms or the lower invertebrates. So they have the simple process of transportation of oxygen and nutrients in their body. So what facilitates this transport? What facilitates this transport? Body cavities. So students, what will happen? Through the body cavities, the food and the oxygen will go inside the body, and then it is transported, and facilitation of the transportation of oxygen and nutrients occur. So just a simple mechanism, the body cavities only are helping in the transportation of these nutrients or these substances. Now how about the complex organisms? Complex organisms, for example, humans. We humans have two kinds of substances named as blood and the lymph. So majority of substances are transported by the blood in our body, but some of the substances are also transported by the lymph. So these are the major things helping in the transportation of food and oxygen inside our body. As we have studied in the respiration chapter, blood is helping in the transportation of oxygen throughout the body, and from the oxygen then the hemoglobin helps in that transport, and later on the carbon dioxide is released out to the alveoli to be transported out of the body. So how is it occurring? It is occurring through blood, which is a connective tissue, that is, it is connecting the whole body. Now some substances are also transported by lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid present inside body. Okay, Students, now I would like to tell you that what basically will be our contents in this chapter. We will study about what blood is, what are the properties of the blood, and what blood consists of. Along with that, we will also study somewhat about the lymph and also the mechanism of circulation. How is the circulation occurring inside the body? How is the blood getting circulated throughout the body? This is all that we will learn in this chapter. Let's move further. So, what we saw is that in the simpler organisms, no special fluid is being used for the transportation of the substances. It is directly occurring through the body cavities only. But what happens in the complex organisms? Special fluid is used by the body to transport these substances. What this special fluid is? That is blood and lymph. Special fluid is used in humans because the transportation is not occurring through the body cavities. So, some medium that connects the whole body is supposed to be there for the transportation.